Imagine this. One night, you look up at the sky, and something's missing. The moon, our constant companion for billions of years, is gone, vanished, without warning, without explanation. What happens next? Chaos, disaster, and a world that will never be the same. The moon's gravity creates the ocean tides, and without it, tides would shrink to a fraction of their size, devastating coastal ecosystems and marine life. Coral reefs, which rely on tidal currents for nutrients, could die off, and species like crabs, turtles, and shorebirds would struggle to survive. But that's just the beginning. The moon is Earth's silent guardian, stabilizing our planet's tilt at 23.5 degrees. Without it, Earth's axis could wobble wildly, like a spinning top losing its balance. Imagine summers so hot they feel like the Sahara, and winters so cold they feel like Antarctica, all in the span of a few years. Agriculture would collapse, leading to global food shortages, and wildlife would face mass extinction as they struggle to adapt to the erratic climate. And here's another mind-blowing fact. The moon acts as a brake on Earth's rotation. Without it, our days would shrink to just 6 to 8 hours. That means you'd have less time to sleep, work, and binge-watch your favorite shows. But more importantly, faster rotation would unleash stronger winds, more intense storms, and hurricanes that could dwarf anything we've ever seen. Nocturnal animals, like owls, bats, and even sea turtles, rely on moonlight to hunt, navigate, and reproduce. Without the moon, their survival would be at risk, and entire ecosystems could unravel. Even plants that depend on lunar cycles for growth, like certain crops and flowers, could suffer. And let's not forget the cultural impact. The moon has inspired art, poetry, and mythology for thousands of years. Its disappearance would leave a void in our collective imagination. No more moonlit sonnets, werewolf stories, or even the phrase, "shoot for the moon." But here's a twist. The moon is also slowly drifting away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters per year. In billions of years, it could be far enough to lose its grip on our planet. So, could humanity survive without the moon? It's hard to say. We'd have to adapt to shorter days, extreme weather, and ecological collapse. Maybe we'd develop new technologies to stabilize our climate, or even create artificial satellites to mimic the moon's effects. Or maybe we'd have to leave Earth altogether and find a new home among the stars. Either way, one thing's for sure, life without the moon would be a very different and much harder experience. And it reminds us just how much we take our celestial neighbor for granted. Please hit the like button if you like this video, and subscribe our channel for more fascinating videos.